Welcome to my channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button. Thank you.
5 benefits of drinking milk daily for good health. Drinking milk daily can provide a range of health benefits. Here are 5 benefits of drinking milk regularly. Number 1 is strong bones. Milk is a great source of calcium, which is essential for healthy bones. Drinking milk regularly can help strengthen your bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that causes bones to become weak and brittle. Number 2 is muscle growth and repair. Milk is also a good source of protein, which is important for muscle growth and repair. Drinking milk after exercise can help your muscles recover more quickly. Number 3 is weight management. Milk is a filling and nutritious beverage that can help you feel full for longer. This can help you manage your weight by reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods between meals. Number 4 is improved heart health. Studies have shown that drinking milk can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. This may be due to the high calcium, potassium, and magnesium levels in milk. Number 5 is nutrient-rich. Milk contains a range of important nutrients, including calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and potassium. Drinking milk regularly can help you meet your daily nutrient requirements and support overall health. It's important to note that not everyone can tolerate milk due to lactose intolerance or milk allergies. If you have a milk allergy or intolerance, there are alternative sources of calcium and other nutrients you can consume instead. Conclusion. In conclusion, drinking milk daily can provide a range of health benefits, including strong bones, muscle growth and repair, weight management, improved heart health, and nutrient-rich support for overall health. However, it's important to note that not everyone can tolerate milk due to lactose intolerance or milk allergies, and alternative sources of nutrients are available. If you can tolerate milk, it can be a healthy addition to your diet in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for watching our channel MediCare. Please subscribe and share the channel.